Here we are, just getting ready to go into yard 2, which is basically cars. Some door racks, some more door racks, upper and lower racking. Okay, going into yard 2 now as we cross over the threshold. This is basically all cars in this yard. All our cars, as you see. These cars here are picked apart, then brought next door, brought to the pad, and dismantled. There's all our glass racks on top of the containers, all the door glasses, quarter glasses, windshields, back glasses, all that kind of stuff to get out of the way so nothing happens to them. Like I said, these are all cars, still cars, not a big yard, but definitely serves its purpose. Here's one of the boxes in here. This box here holds all airbags and seatbelts down both sides of the container. As you see, these are basically all roof bags. Those there. More to your left, up at the top. To your right here is just regular airbags, steering column airbags, dashboard airbags, seat belts in the boxes. Most of them, pretty much all of them are basically seat belts. Here's some more roof bags. And you got this here container is all fuel injection. All fuel injection rails, all the fuel rails on top, opposite sides intake manifolds, all the intake manifolds, uppers, lowers, all complete. It's a 40-foot container again, filled with these things, which isn't too bad. Great job on there. Here you got all the fuel pumps. All fuel pumps, all tested, out, ready to go. You also got all the axles on the left-hand side, front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, all types of axles. All of them are checked, boots are good, all ready to be delivered, shipped, whatever we need to do. There you go with steering columns. This is a steering column shed. This here shed is all our steering columns that are off and ready to go. All complete with the keys, some without the keys, very little fuel without keys. We try to save everything with keys. All the keys are usually wire tied right to them, so we know we don't lose them. The guys don't lose them. Here's more airbags, roof bags, just on the outer edge. To the left, you got radiator condensers, 40 foot. To the right, we have some more radiator condensers up on top, some training coolers, so on and so forth. Bottom is all radiator fans, the electric fans. In the middle racks we're showing are the window regulators, the bigger ones that hold the all the aluminum. It's like one panel instead of just being a small window regulator. These are the ones that are all built into the doors, as you can see. That one there. Here's another one right here next to me. That's what all it's in that particular box. And this here box is the other window regulators. These are the smaller ones, as you see. They're just small. They don't have the big aluminum pieces. This basically just gets bolted into the door, as the other ones do. But that other one holds the whole door panel itself. Here are the fans, the electric fans, regular fans, clutch fans. And that's about it. You've pretty much seen the whole yard. Whether or not this is one video or two videos, but that's it. That's All American Auto Records. Thanks for watching. Since you've seen it and you checked it out, now come down and buy some parts or order them online at allamericanautorecords.com. We're open up Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturdays, normally we're here from 8 to 3, but during July and August, we close for the summer months. If it's July and August, we're closed. If it's not, then come on down, say hello, meet the guys. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.